Hey, what's up everybody? Dr. Brittany here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do something called the golfer's lift. So it's a technique that you can use whether you're currently having back pain or trying to avoid that repetitive movement of bending over to get something off the ground. If you think about a golfer, they're always having to line up their golf ball on the tee, and that's where it's got its name from. So all you're going to need is something that you can hold onto for a little bit of support. I'm going to use a PVC pipe. You can use a chair, a table, anything that you can rest your hands on. And then I'm going to pretend to pick this thing up off the floor. It's just a yoga block. It doesn't have a lot of weight to it. So this isn't necessarily a technique that you're going to use for heavy lifting, but it's more or less the repetitive bending over nature of lifting. So let's say your dog destroys one of its favorite toys and you've got fur all over the floor and you've got to pick up all that stuffing. You don't want to keep bending over maybe 8, 10, 20 times if you're already having back pain. So then you're going to try out this kind of lift at home. So I've got this PVC pipe here, and that's going to help with getting 2 points of contact onto the floor. So one foot is going to be on the floor, and then I've got this PVC pipe for the other point of contact. You want to make sure that the opposite hand and leg are both on the ground, and then the other leg is going to be behind you. As you reach forward, your back stays nice and straight when you go to lift something off the ground, and then go ahead and pick it up. So same thing when you're going to put something down. I keep that one contact between the hand, the other contact between the foot, and then I'm going to lower down and drop down whatever I'm trying to pick up to the floor. Super easy way to get down to the ground, pick something light up without bending and doing a lot of force on your back.